So guys, you can probably tell based on the introduction of this video that we are going on a road trip. Now I want somebody to comment and tell me this. Why is it when you are going somewhere with your wife or your spouse who is a female, even if you're going for 2 days, you need 4 to 5 bags? Come on, it's 2 days. Anyways guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to Edmonton, Alberta, a city that we've been to a whole lot of times before, but we're taking you guys there again. Hopefully you guys are not yet tired of seeing what the beautiful city of Edmonton looks like, because you're gonna be seeing it again, right? If you guys are new here, my name is Dems, a Jamaican immigrant who is now living in the beautiful city of Grand Prairie, Alberta, and we're going to Edmonton for 2 days because Malika has an appointment at the Glenrose Hospital. Now that's one of the things of living in rural Alberta. Many of the services that you need, if it is that you have a child with special needs, then you have to go to the bigger cities, Edmonton or Calgary sometimes. So today's we're leaving to Edmonton because Malika has an appointment tomorrow, right? Don't forget to do the guys, which is to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys on the flip side. And we are out, guys. We're out on a boat. Not in the driver's seat, taking on the first leg. Don't want to distract her. She's not at the stage where she can multitask driving and talking yet. It's either she talking or she driving at this moment in time. So where are we going? We're going on a long drive. Yes, Islander. We're going to Edmonton. Okay? Okay, first up, gas station. Let's do it. Yes guys, so journey to Edmonton is roughly 4.5 hours away from Grand Prairie, but because we have kids, it usually take us 5 to 5.5 hours to get there. So it's gonna be a long drive, but nothing that we're not used to. We're used to taking on this journey, so we're gonna take you guys along with us. If you like this kind of content, be sure to let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate it, guys.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in.
So guys, I've been getting a lot of requests to do vlogs. So you guys better let me know if you like the vlogs. And smash a like on the vlogs if you like it as well. Those are the best way to let us know that you like the kind of contents we're doing, and then the more engagement we see, the more we'll focus on that specific kind of content, right? So don't be shy with the like button, don't be shy with the comments, don't be shy with subscribing either. Road to 20,000 subscribers. Can you guys believe it? We're coming from far. We're coming from far. Very, very far, guys. 20,000 is right there. Need your help to get there, guys. So let's go.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Yes, guys, so we've been driving now for an hour and 20 minutes and we are approaching Valley View. First stop of the journey. Good job, Nuts. First job of the... Not first job. First stop of the journey. So let's go and see what Valley View is all about.
Exile to Canada. They said they come to Canada about in Nova Scotia. And then go Sierra Leone. Exile them. The rebellious one them. Oh, we are good. Yeah, but you're not buying, I guess.
But the gas station, we're good. Yes. Hey. Oh, right, that's a deep.
Yeah. Look at him run into the bathroom. Been holding his urine for long. Bathroom stop, guys. We're heading to the bathroom. This is the one who wants to pee. Public bathroom, but I know we. We're just doing a bathroom break. Say hi. Hi.
Guys, one thing with Jamaicans, we're not gonna leave our shed pan at home to come and eat on the road. So as we're here right now, it's also the first meal of the day, breakfast time. Let's make sure that we're loaded up. I have some cabbage in this and some broccoli and shrimp with some bread. That's for me. And then let's have some rice and leftover stew chicken in this. That's for Nuts. We have our fork. Oh, there she's coming back. The kids are good. They have a whole lot of snacks and food. Babes, I was just telling everybody that we have our shed pan with us.
Don't need to buy fast food.
And plus I get to save money.
Good.
So good. So guys, we have finished filling our tummies and we're gonna hit the road now. As I said, I'm in the driver's seat now. Passenger princess is right where she's comfortable.
Come back.
Yeah, we're gonna hit the road. The next stop is gonna be in Whitecourt, which is roughly 2.5 hours away. So see you guys on the road or in Whitecourt.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love.
Guys, we've been driving for 3 hours now. That's it, at our wits' end. We're at Whitecourt. We're just an hour and 45 minutes outside of Edmonton now. Just gonna top up with some gas. I still have a whole lot of gas, but I usually like to top up at Whitecourt because you know anything might happen. And so forth, so on. And this is a good little spot to stop. We always stop here anyway, so let's top up with some gas and then hit the road. How are we doing? How are you doing, Malia? Everybody's good?
And why do you guys go to the bathroom?
Why Malika's going to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Why did you go to the bathroom? Think about it. It's the same reason why she's going.
I want to pee.
Okay.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't.
of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing.
Yes guys, so we have officially reached Edmonton and we are at this hotel that we always stay at, Coast Plaza downtown. Long drive today and check-in was a process, so didn't get to show you guys much of that process. Malika, are you okay? Didn't get to show you guys much of that process, but we're here and we're good. We're gonna be here for the next couple of days, so we're gonna take you guys around and show you guys what Edmonton, Alberta is looking like here in 2025. We are on the 17th floor, really high up in the sky. Good morning guys, it's now 7 a.m. in the morning, beautiful Edmonton. You see in life, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Sometimes in life things don't always go the way how we want it to go. Sometimes we have minor distraction on the journey. In today's case, or in our case, I forgot to pack toothpaste and deodorant. Much needed commodity, so I have to run to the store early in the morning to make sure that I get those necessities, something that we weren't necessarily planning to do, but we have to do. So come along guys, let's go and get us some necessities.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn left. At the lights, turn left onto 104 Avenue Northwest. In 450 meters, turn right onto 109th Street Northwest. Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn right. At the lights, turn right onto 109th Street Northwest. In about 1.5 kilometers, turn left onto Kingsway Northwest. In 500 meters, turn left onto Kingsway Northwest. At the lights, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Kingsway Northwest. Turn left. In 900 meters, turn left into the car park. Stay in the second lane from the left. Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn left. At the lights, turn left into the car park. You've entered the car park for your destination.
Whoever created GPS, thank you, thank you, thank you. You have no idea how you changed the world. Again, guys, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. We had so many video ideas to do in Edmonton over a trip here over this next couple of days. And I'm telling you guys that Mother Nature had other ideas. It is forecasted to snow the entire day and the entire night, non-stop. It's crazy. Did you guys see how beautiful the day was coming down? It's amazing how it can just transform into winter all over again, which is exactly what happened. So apologies to you guys. You won't be able to get, you're not gonna be able to get all the videos that we have planned. We had some very interesting videos planned for you guys, but we're gonna have to delay them, some of them, until the summer when hopefully no snow is around. Right, if you guys are still here, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It's the best way to support us, to support the work that we're doing. We really enjoy doing it, but we need your support to grow. So if you're watching our content, or if you've been here a while, sometimes you forgot that, hey, you know what, I haven't subscribed. Just be intentional in this video. Take a quick second, hit that subscribe button. Be intentional, take a quick second, hit that like button and leave your comments. Comment and let me know where you guys are watching from. Very interested to know that, as always. Now let's go to Superstore, because I'm starting to smell my own breath, which is morning breath. If you guys know, you know. Let's go. One good thing at least is all the superstores that I've been to in many different cities all set up the same way. So it doesn't matter if I'm going there for the first time or the 100th time. I kind of have a fair idea of exactly where I'm going. That's a good thing. Okay, so not forget our roll on, and of course that becomes my problem because I have to go and get it. What else did we forget? Toothpaste. Okay. Okay, just grab a small one. It should be good. Don't want to buy too big because we have toothpaste at home. So toothpaste, roll on, Pediasure. Let's go. So guys, I know exactly where I was going. Okay, Pediasure as usual. You never have too much of this, because this is Malika's food. This is her diet. And in case you guys didn't remember, we're here for an appointment for Malika. We have to do this once in a while. She has a swallowing assessment today at the Glen Rose Hospital. So that's why we're here. Nat seems to have a weird obsession these last couple of days with coffee. So I just stopped and grabbed her a cup of coffee. Back to the hotel I go.
Stay in the middle lane. The destination is on your left. Coast Edmonton Plaza Hotel by APA.